structure of the language. I mean the structure, how the sentences, correct language, vocabulary, phrases and all that to add to it. Then body language. With body language, I mean all non-verbal, what's the expression like, etc. Then etiquette, politeness, how to deal with, that shows finesse, personality, applied phonetics with pronunciation in mind, because that is very important. Unless we are pronouncing words correctly, the other person will not understand. So, in order to be intelligible, internationally so, the more correct we are, correct meaning closer to the native speakers, the better it is. The rate of speaking is also important, like the volume, the pauses also. When do we pause, when to take a breath, not only the rate, but also the pitch, where does it go high, where does it go low. Practice makes perfect, that's number one. Record it, play it back and then show. A lot of reading is required, because if there is no input, there won't be good output. That's true for speaking also. We encourage a lot of listening activities too. If writing has to improve, a lot of reading and then writing. So, simple writing, enjoyable writing, which we don't do anymore. We used to write letters and so many things earlier. Now students don't do that. Journal is one way of doing it, keeping, writing 2 pages every day of what you did and what you want to do for tomorrow. I have seen students not being very good in their technical field, but not being picked up by good corporate, they deserve to be there, but they're not picked up because of poor communication skills. This used to happen. Life becomes smoother when we can communicate well with people around us. So, true for the corporate world, true for industry, true for anywhere else.